When the president is visiting India that time, we are trying to see if we can conclude a agreement MOU between US government and Indian government on that.
There has been interest in shale gas. The DGH has identified certain basins which have prospectivity. We have also had discussions with the other experts from the world. As the Honorable Minister pointed out, we are hopeful of signing an MOU with the Government of United States for exchanging data which is available, for identifying basins where there is potential, and third and most important, to have a parameter of having a shale gas round. Now, exploration for shale gas is going to be far more expensive than, let's say, for oil and gas. We would have to have a different, set of parameters, and we are in the process of finalizing this, and we hope to launch this before the end of 2011. Insofar as NELP 8 last year is concerned, there is a specific notification of Ministry of Finance which gives a 7-year tax holiday from the date of commencement of production for oil and gas. For rounds NELP 1 to 7, there is absolute clarity that there will be 7-year tax holiday in the case of oil. However, in the case of gas, there are some disputes, and these are being agitated in various tribunals in India, and whatever the tribunals decide in each case will be the final law of the land. However, in case of NELP 9 and the future, there is absolute clarity, as was pointed out by the Minister of State in his address and by the tax experts. We will be governed by the provisions of the Direct Tax Code, which has been cleared by the Cabinet of India. And in the Direct Tax Code, all profit-linked holidays for every sector have been removed. You will only have investment-based incentives for NELP 9 and beyond.
Well, personally, I have great confidence in offshore oil and gas exploration in India, and I think that all the NELP rounds have been a success, and I am sure that NELP 9 will be an equal success. As far as Reliance is concerned, obviously we evaluate all our opportunities at different times, and I don't want to use this platform to make announcements on Reliance, but we are enthusiastic.